applied wood stain on this park bench. It's a very old park bench. As well as this little plant stand, which is actually a shoe stand that we got for 400 pesos. I really love this ladder shelf that we repainted white. We got it in one of those warehouse sales in Australia, so kahit nasa ibang bansa, bargain hunting pa rin. Because we had leftover house paint, we used that to give these old pots a makeover. I really like the look of terracotta pots. However, I observed that they get very moldy pag tag-ulan na. So, I gave them a good scrub. But just remember to wear your mask and your face shield because na-allergy ako dahil doon. But the effort was worth it. I really like how they turned out. This is a corner of our living room, and that is the wall clock na binuhay lang namin. And we even repainted that Eiffel Tower. It was dark bronze before, so we just wanted to keep the light color scheme of the house. That little teacup was even thrifted in a Japanese surplus shop too. And this one, also from a surplus shop, it was, I think, a medicine cabinet that we turned into a shadow box for those little knickknacks. And even our floor lamp was also thrifted. This is our little gallery wall in the kitchen. All of the frames are bargain finds, and these were originally his and her signs that I painted over and personalized for my family. This is one of my favorite DIY projects. We repurposed an old frame which was deep enough to attach fake grass and also some plantita tools with cable ties. These chairs were my mom's. From the very first sala set she's ever owned, I think even before I was born. We had it repainted white and reupholstered from our friendly neighborhood reupholstery shop. This is the dining set that we literally got off the side of the road. They were basically giving it away for 2,500 pesos, 4 seats and a table. It was originally reddish brown, so we painted it white, and we got these cute stretchy chair covers for 99 pesos a pop online. And these are really old trivets that I spray painted gold. They were like really dark green and purple originally. This is our little tea and coffee corner. The hubby repurposed an old wooden plank and some AC brackets to make this shelf. We spray painted the lids of those old jars, and he 3D printed that interesting looking coffee cup there at the top. I made that little sign there, and we also just repainted this old MDF cabinet that I've had since I was in high school or college, I think. So this is where we had the mishap with the paint. The pinks are obviously not matched, so I just painted some clouds there para hindi masyado masama ang loob ko kunwari sadya kahit hindi. This is another ladder bookshelf that I repainted. And over here is a wall that unfortunately had a huge crack right in the middle. So what we did was just paint a white tree over it.